baby, watch your man out here. Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on again today to share with you guys these gold vase decor. Alright everyone, here are the items that we will be using for this DIY, and everything will be listed down in the description bar below. Now today we're doing a gold vases for this DIY. I'm doing gold because a lot of my subscribers, you guys, have been asking me to incorporate more gold DIY ideas. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to show you how we decorate these decorative gold vase. Alright everyone, let's get started. Now we're going to take our gold bling wrap from TotallyDazzled, and I've cut them into strips of 2, and we're just going to glue them going down the vase. Okay, now that we have this pattern just in the center, we're going to turn it around to the other side and do the same pattern on this side, just in the center of the vase. Okay, now that we have our pattern back and front, between those 2 patterns now we're just going to take a strip with just 2 pieces and do them straight down the center between those 2. You can see what I'm doing right here. And we're doing the same thing on the other side. And now we're going to take these gold beads from the Dollar Tree and we're going to go right around the top part of our vase. And now we're going to take a gold gem that I have here from TotallyDazzled, and we're just going to use some Gorilla Glue and glue it onto the center of our vase. Here's our finished look. Our nice glam gold color vase decor. I think it looks very nice. And with our gem from TotallyDazzled, the bling wrap, and the gold beads, I think it just ties in very nicely together. And I also did one of the vase from the Dollar Tree. They're small like candle holder vase or regular vase if you want to use it for. And I did the same pattern as I did on the bigger vase. Just in case you can't find something with that shape, you know, you can use any other size vase and decorate it within the same pattern. The bling wrap going around the side, back and front, a slimmer one in the middle, and the gold beads on top. And a lovely gem from Totally Dazzled right in the middle. I think they look very nice. And here's the large vase with the flowers inside. I think the gold looks very nice against the white flowers. It looks absolutely beautiful to me. And here's both of them with the flowers inside. The tall vase and the smaller vase. I think they both look lovely with the white flowers against the gold. They look so blingy, so glammy, and nice. Alright everyone, tell me what you think about these two gold color decor. Give me a like, press that thumbs up button, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell so you get notified every time I upload another DIY to share with you guys. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone.